Green beans ay $1. We'll get 3 only. Can't eat. Bakit may mga black dito?
They're grown food.
Good morning, Maring! Ang lakas ng fan. Hindi ko alam kung naririnig niyo ba ako, mga Maring. So today, Maring, ay pupunta kami sa Walmart for grocery shopping. Si Sir ang magdadrive ngayong araw. So gamit namin yung maliit namin na sasakyan dahil kailangan ng gasolina para mapagasolinahan. Sunday ngayon, mga Maring. At mamaya ay magmo-mower kami sa labas kung hindi ulan. I hope na hindi ulan dahil ang taas na ng mga damo sa labas. Tumataas na ang mga damo. Ang dali talagang tumaas kasi laging ulan na ito. Halos every week. This week ay scheduled na ulan.
Mama, can you turn off the shine?
You're not bringing half bag? Forgot your wrap.
But it's in the truck.
You get the black one. You don't want the black one?
Oh, you know the black one?
You want me to get it?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're gonna burn your scalp.
Get it. What are you doing? That's not how you get out of a car.
Kunin muna natin ang hat ni Sir para hindi masunog ang kanyang ulo dahil wala siyang buhok. Ligaw. Stop by muna tayo dito sa park, Maring, dahil nasabihan namin yung bata kahapon na pupunta kami ng park. So ayan, stop by muna kami dito saglit. Dahil Sunday, walang tao, kami lang dito sa park. Ayan, oh. Wala talagang tao. What are you doing here? Ito yung gazebo nila, Maring. May mga markers dyan. May mga sulat-sulat ng mga tao. Ang nakalagay dyan. Ang dami, oh. Carmen. Nandito na tayo sa Walmart, Maring. Wala masyadong sasakyan ngayon. Maaliwalas ang kapaligiran at tahimik. Music lang ni Walmart ang naririnig natin.
Can I show them my bow?
Hmm?
Can I show them my bow?
Okay, show you bow. Pakita niya raw yung bow niya na nabili namin sa Dollar Tree. $1 lang. Antay kami sa dalawa. No, you can't. We'll get milk.
Strange ladies following.
Toothpaste.
Which one do you want?
No, I'm getting a lotion.
A lotion. Are these lotions?
Oh, right there. It's not orange though.
No, because they're sold out of that one. I told you.
I want. Try to get this.
Yeah, but they're sold
Relax,
out.
they don't have it.
They're sold out.
That one is fine, B.
This is right here.
The $6. We'll just get the regular one. It's cute though.
No. Too boring.
$11 ang compression sock. Napaka niya, thin. Ayun ang green beans. Itong green beans ay $1. Get the green one, B. Make sure it's hard. No, this one. Only 3.
This is already open.
If it's yellow, don't get that. That's yellow. Only green. We'll get 3 only. Can't eat all of that.
One thing after.
Here.
That's mango.
Right here.
Get it.
I'll get some more.
Let me grade it. Okay. So we're getting some green onion. Then we're getting I think
Bakit may mga black?
I don't know why you ain't big the thing. I'm gonna finish what I got on my cart and I'll
I'll just get this.
Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't mean to hit you.
Konting celery lang yung kukunin ko, Marie. Ito siya. $2 ang celery.
it's purplish and it has like 5 to 8 of it. And it has
Ano
a
po
big
siya papaya. You eating the papaya, ba?
Maybe I'll get you one.
And avocado. I would get
All
onion.
you want.
That's fine.
Mama,
Huwag tayo ng...
that has a container and it's like
Oh my God. I don't like pomegranates. Kuha tayo ng onion, Maring. White onion ay $4. 1.41 per pound. So, ito yung kukunin ko, white. I like the white onion. Ang dami naman ito.
I really want to try.
Wala bang maliit lang na size? Eh, ganito talaga lahat.
I really want to try coconut.
Uy, we're not getting coconut.
Wait.
Maliliit lang yung kukunin. Ayan, maliit na onion. Put it in the basket.
Put that one.
Next ay kamatis. Ganda ng kamatis, Maring. Red na red.
Look. Up.
May garlic pa naman ako, Maring. Meron silang mga maliliit na tomato. I think hindi ko naman kailangan yan.
Use some ginger.
No, I
Fresh off the boat right there.
I still have ginger. Ang laki ng mga ginger, Maring, oh. Fresh ginger. Ang laki.
Mozzarella.
Tignan ko kung may kimchi sila. No, I don't want strawberry, baby girl. Kimchi, kimchi. Walang kimchi. There is no kimchi. May egg roll. Let's try this. Egg roll wrapper.
Oh, it's good to meet.
Dito tayo sa fish section. Kuha tayo ng frozen tilapia. Lahat dito ay na siya, fillet.
Mom,
What is this? Ay, potato. Hush puppies. Yan ang catfish fillet.
stop.
Yeah. Lobster is so expensive. $19. Only 2. Shrimp.
Okay.
That's already cooked.
It's cooked, yeah.
Okay.
Good.
Ano to? Seasoning. Lemon pepper. Salmon. Ang mahal ng salmon. Meron silang fish fry. Seasoning. Breading mix. Try nga natin to. Seafood breading mix. Breading.
That shit, man.
$30.
I'll just get one.
Yeah.
Or you want to get the small one?
We'll get a small one for now.
Well, here, I'll just get 2 of the small ones and you can make it for them.
The small one kind of looks like a tuna.
Fries. Thin cut fries.
said you didn't want no beef.
I'm getting this. Kuha tayo ng beef. Ito yung gusto ko marin. Si picada. Ayan. I'll get one.
They're grown too.
Rib tips. Wow. Konti lang yung karne. Wala nang karne. Naubos na. Neck bones. $9. Rib tips. Rib eye chops. There you go. Just get one of that and one of this. Ito tayo sa mga manok. Kuha tayo ng chicken thighs. What is this, babe? Chicken wings? Yung maliit dito. $12. What's the difference?
Yeah, she eats
Why is this in a small...
boneless, skinless. Boneless.
Balik natin. Skinless chicken. Eh, grabe ang lagkit ng ng manok na rin, nag-leak. This sausage.
So tiny. We get. Mozzarella over here.
Just get a small one for now. Get the butter. Wow, sarap nito. Cinnamon roll.
Mommy and sugar. Please.
Cookie. Oreo.
You know, I'm gonna drink the orange juice. Last time I got orange juice, that shit set up already.
June 25. God. Check natin kung may ba. Baka may crack. Gallon and a quart. Ganda ng mga vacuums mo rin. Oh, $300 pala itong ganito na vacuum. Ito yung pinakagusto ko kasi wireless siya. Ganda. Baka next time. Babe, look. So nice. Ito yung maganda pang pang carpet. This is the one we need to clean the rug. Ano siya maring pang shampoo. That one right there. Is that a shampoo or shampoo? Or is it this one? Yeah, it's this one. For the rug. Wash it. $98.
happy.
Let's eat, Maring. Natapos na rin ako magluto, Maring. Finally, nakaupo rin. Meron akong watermelon at saka yung niluto ko na manok. Ayan. Sarap-sarap. Very good.
Such a wonderful cook. Thank you.
Almost choke.
I covered that. I covered that.
Girl, it's bone now.
Dang, I'm fat.
A little bit of meat there. Here's your watermelon.
Almost like half my dripstick.
Pagkatapos magluto, Maring, ay ito ang resulta. Maraming hugasin, nagtambak. Ayan, yung kusina talaga. Marami pang mga dapat tigpitin. At yung ano naman, table, ayan, makalat talaga. Pagkatapos na lang kumain, oh my God. Ang dami kong gagawin, mga Maring. So, si Sir ay magmumower pala siya para makaligo yung mga bata. Mag-swimming sila para walang mataas na damo sa paligid. Kaya magmumower si Sir at tutulungan ko siya mamaya. Pero kailangan ko munang ligpitin to lahat dito. Yung pool namin ay nalumot na naman, Maring. Last time, sa last video ko, nilinisan ko ito. Tapos, i-drain na naman namin ngayon kasi may mga lumot na naman siya. At saka may mga itlog ng ano, ng mga lamo.
Yeah, where's the
Para mag-drain siya. Yan. May mga ano na siya ng mga waya-waya. At yung aking saging, Maring, oh, bonggang-bongga ang kanyang dahon. Oh no, the wind blew all of this. Ang kalat dito sa ano.
Yeah, the wind is strong today.
Habang nagmamower si Sir ay unti-unti kong lilinisan itong pool. Ang daming lamok, Maring. Kahit na tanghali, ang daming lamok dito. I'll help you here. Gusto nyo gawin yan. Sobrang taas ng damo.
This one's needed Philippines.
Yeah. Grabe, ang daming mga langaw at saka langit. Natapos na maring.
Mommy!
Ah.
Mommy, I don't want these. Can I show you my this is how I sit down?
Hanggang dito na lang ang aking vlog mga maring. Sa susunod na naman ng mga vlog. See you next time. Bye!